guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can delete your Spotify app. Well, account, not your app, sorry. So select your profile picture, go to account here, and then scroll down until you find the you'll need to go to the privacy settings. Oh, hold on, actually you need to go to this section here, and then you're just going to select, it was right here, okay. It is in the close account setting. Sorry, it just like loads really weirdly. So you're going to select close account. Make sure you're not under any subscription anymore. Then you're just going to select close my account and delete my data. And that's pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.